Welcome back to my channel. So, as you can tell by the title, this video is going to be discussing my giveaway that's happening starting today. So make sure that you are subscribed to this account. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Lisa Nicole Gomez. That way you're like 2 steps ahead of everybody else. All you gotta do is comment on my post and you'll be entered into the giveaway. I'm gonna go ahead and just tell you guys the rules for this giveaway. So how you're going to enter is you must be following me on Instagram at Lisa Nicole Gomez. You must be subscribed to me here on my channel, Lisa Nicole Gomez. So just click the subscribe button. Also, go ahead and click the notification bell because, like, why not? If I ever make merchandise, I'm gonna have to make a sweatshirt or something that says, because why not? Because, like, for real, that's my little... You're going to comment your favorite emoji on my post and tag 2 of your friends on Instagram. You can comment however many times you want, however, you must tag new people every time you re-comment. So you can comment however many times you want, each comment is an entry, but just make sure that you're tagging new people every single time. If you want an extra chance to win, you can go ahead and share the post onto your story, and then I'll be checking that as well. The deadline to comment and share and all of that is January 19th at 4 p.m. So January 19th is a week from now, so it's Sunday. And then 4 p.m. is the deadline to enter. The winner will be announced on the Friday after that. Alright, where shall we start? Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the smallest item. You guys saw that I got this in the FabFitFun box, so I just went ahead and threw this in here. Like, this is just a body lotion, but I just figured, you know what? Why not just throw it in there? So you'll be getting this body souffle by Humankind brand. Yeah, so that's the boring one. Okay, so now let's hop in for real. So the first item in this giveaway, let's talk about this Real Techniques by Sam and Nick brush collection. So this brush collection contains your everyday essentials, like for your blush, foundation, eyeshadow, highlighter, concealer. Of course, you can use these brushes in any order you'd like to or the way that you would like to, but this is just one of the items you would be getting if you win this giveaway. The next makeup item is this Makeup Revolution Tammy X Revolution palette. I'll go ahead and put a picture of the inside of the palette because this is wrapped and I don't want to open it because you should be getting something brand new and I'm not going to try to open it for the video. So what I liked about this palette is it offers you a variety of colors. So vibrant, fun colors. If you're getting into vibrant, fun, creative makeup, you can go ahead and indulge in this palette. Or if you're just trying to add a pop of color here and there, if you're used to doing a smoky or a natural eye look, then you can pop into this palette and just add a pop of color into your look. So I figured this would be a fun one for makeup lovers, people who are getting into makeup, because the colors in this are really nice. And if you are not into vibrant colors, you're just mainly like a pop of color here and there kind of person, you're also going to be getting this Morphe 3502 Second Nature Artistry palette. I'll put a picture of this as well. What I liked about this palette is for those of you guys who are also just getting into makeup or who are very creative with your makeup, this offers a nice range of colors that are very neutral and that aren't too out there outside of the box for people who are not comfortable with it. Or people who are very comfortable with their makeup, you could create more dramatic looks with this palette. You could also combine the 2 palettes together to create some good magic. This giveaway is kind of targeted towards hairdressers just because I have a lot of hairdressers who are following me. But if you're not a hairdresser, you could always give your hairdresser a nice tip with this next item. This next item is the From Our Holiday collection. This collection is so beautiful and I am so jealous. I should have got 2 of these. So in this collection, you're gonna get these 3 Big Daddy brushes. That's what they're called. They're called Big Daddy brushes, but these are just so pretty. They're glittery, they're pink, they're silver, they're just so pretty and I'm so jealous of whoever wins them because I want them. They are perfect for hair painting. From our brushes, hand painting brushes, are phenomenal. Framar is like the inventor of hand painting brushes, balayage brushes. They couldn't be any more perfect, especially these brushes right here. Perfect if you're doing hand painting on very thick, luscious hair. Comes with a box of some Holiday Collection foils, as well as 2 clips. These clips match the brushes, super duper cute. The foils match the collection as well. So, like I said, I'm so jealous of whoever wins this collection because I really should have just bought 2 and I don't know why I didn't. This was a gift with the Framar thing. This is, these are disposable towels that you can use. Towels so you don't have to wash your towels. I don't know, it's interesting, but you know. The next thing you would be winning would be these Paul Mitchell Pro Tools clips right here. These are slim duckbill clips. What I like about these clips is they're perfect for hair coloring. They're nice and slim, like I said, so they're not like bulky clips that get in your way whenever you're coloring the hair. So they're nice and slim, which is nice because we gotta keep our sections clean, gotta keep all the hair out of the way, gotta keep the clips out of the way. There's nothing that bugs me more than like those big obnoxious, what are they, those big clips. But they're big and they're annoying, and every time I see somebody using them and using them for color especially, I'm like, those are in your way. They're getting everything all messy. Like, just use some slimmer clips. Slimmer clips, everything will be clean and pretty. Next up, you will be getting this Awapui Wild Ginger Moisturizing Lather Shampoo, as well as the Keratin Cream Rinse. These two, this shampoo and conditioner duo, these are my favorite from Paul Mitchell. I just cannot add anything to it. The smell is amazing. The benefits that you would get from this shampoo and conditioner are out of this world. You can truly, in an instant, feel these products creating magic in your hair. You can feel the hair being revived, the moisture being penetrated into the hair. So if you win this, you're gonna fall in love with these 2 products if you've never used them. In this line, you also have the finishing spray. So this is gonna give you a firm hold. This is a really great hairspray. If you're a hairdresser and you do a lot of updos, this is a good hairspray for you. This really sets the hair in place. It gives it a nice scent. And what I also like about it is it doesn't have a heavy shine to it, so you're not going to get like shiny, wet looking hair. It's not going to give you a matte look either. It's not going to dull the hair out, but it just gives a very natural finish. Nothing too shiny, nothing too matte. So it's a great in-between. I love this. You will also be getting the Paul Mitchell Hot Off the Press. Hot Off the Press is a heat protectant I talked about in my Nero Guide video. So this is going to have the ability to protect the hair from the heat, as well as act like a very flexible and soft hairspray so that your hair holds your curls a little bit longer. And last in this giveaway is the Paul Mitchell Nero Guide. So I did a video on this iron a while ago, and I said that you guys could possibly win it in the future, and now is the time. This is the moment. So this is the Paul Mitchell Nero Guide. What I love about this is that it's a combination of a wand and kind of like a style wand. If you guys have seen Paul Mitchell stuff before, maybe you know about the style wand. So the style wand was a brush that, I don't know if they still make it, I don't think that they do. They had the style wand and the style round. They were basically brushes with heat so that you could brush your hair and brush the curl into your hair, or brush the smoothness into your hair, which was really, really nice. So it's like a combination of the 2. The one reason I don't like to use wands as often is because I feel like I don't have control over it. Even though you're just wrapping the hair, I feel like the hair sometimes will slip out and it's just annoying. So I love this because it has the comb to it, and the comb controls the hair, gives nice tension so that the comb isn't just slipping out, or so that the hair isn't just slipping out of the wand. You have the nice comb that keeps the tension in place. If you don't like the comb, there's a control button that lowers the comb down so that it's inside the iron and you don't see it. It's just like a normal wand. But I personally prefer the comb in it. So yeah. So that is everything that you would be winning if you win this giveaway. So we have the body lotion. We have the Nero Guide. We have the Awapui shampoo, the Awapui conditioner. We have the finishing spray. We have Paul Mitchell Hot Off the Press. We have our Paul Mitchell Pro Tool clips. We have our Makeup and Tammy Revolution X Revolution palette, the very vibrant, vivid one. We have our Morphe Natural eyeshadow palette. We have our Real Techniques brush set. We have our from our towels. And we have our from our holiday collection. If you are excited about entering this giveaway, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you plan on entering this giveaway, if you're following me on Instagram. And I would love to get to know my people who are actually entering the giveaway. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and comment below. Have a beautiful day. Follow me on Instagram at Lisa Nicole Gomez to make sure that you are entered into the giveaway. I wish you all the good luck in the world and God bless.